What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and easy Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we will learn how to speed ramp our footage inside of Premiere Pro quickly. This is a beginner tutorial, not an expert tutorial, so let's get started. So I have this footage here in Premiere Pro. It's on our timeline. It's this drone footage. It's slowly zooming in like the drone was descending, and it's like 20 seconds long. What I want to happen is it to go fast, to descend fast and then slow down nicely. That's called speed ramping. So what we're going to do is find the effects tab right here on the footage. It's on all of our pieces of footage. We're going to right click this, do time remapping, and then speed. Cool, it puts up this new little like bar here. It's also here in our effects panel right here. What we're going to do is then hit P on our keyboard, do a pen tool, go down here, and then do pen tool here. That allows us to put 2 keyframes on our keyboard, as you can see, just like so. From here, we want to grab this and move it up a lot. That's going to speed up this section of the footage and slow it down later. So as you can see, this section of the footage is faster. This section is normal speed. So when it plays back, it goes faster, and then it goes back to normal speed. From here, we want to have smooth transitions between the sections. So right now, it's just a clip. It just goes and then slow. Fast and then slow. We want that to be a smooth transition. So stretch these out by grabbing these, stretch this out by grabbing this, then clicking here and changing it like that, clicking here, changing the Bezier to like this. And then we can kind of zoom these together like so, and work with us here, guys, to make a nice like little hump, like a ramp. Let's move this one back, move this one forward, stretch this one out, and then if we play it back, starts faster, and then a nice transition back to our normal speed. So you could have like a windy effect coming in, all that stuff, and then a nice cool breeze in the title on the screen. From here, if I was going to add anything else, I would do camera shake as it's going down, a little bit of motion blur to make it look like it was moving fast, and then it slows down to this speed. But we can add those effects in another video. Ask me if you want me to do it. Leave a comment below. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, scan that QR code on the screen. It helps me out a ton.